Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. If you are looking for the healthy and easy recipes, you are on the right channel. So you keep on following me every week. I'm going to be putting one recipe. Today I'm going to be making shrimp with a bell pepper and onions and some cilantro. Okay, let's go see all the ingredients what we needed to make this dish. Okay, to make shrimp with bell pepper and onions, we need shrimps. I have 1 pound of shrimp, and I have one big large onion with some green chilies chopped in there, green pepper, and I have one bell pepper chopped, and I have some cilantro. It's optional. If you don't like cilantro, you don't have to put it. And I have 1 spoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And I have a 1/4 spoon of garam masala, allspice, and I have 1 spoon of garlic and ginger paste. That's it. Okay, for this recipe, not too many ingredients goes in there. Okay, let's go make it. It's very easy and very simple. It's very healthy and very fast. Okay friends, we are going to mix all these ingredients in shrimp. Garlic and ginger, salt, coriander powder, a little bit of garam masala, and red chili powder. So we're going to let it marinate for a little while, then we're going to cook it. Okay? Okay, so let it marinate for a little while. Okay, my pan is hot. I'm going to put some oil in there. We'll fry onions and bell pepper. Here's a lot of onions. And bell pepper. Okay, we will fry this until it gets a little softer. Onions will get soft, and the bell pepper also gets a little softer. It will take like 10 minutes probably to cook this onions and salt, onions and bell pepper. Okay guys, our onions and bell pepper is soft and is cooked. So we are going to be adding shrimps now. Okay, we mixed everything. We are going to cover it and cook for 10 minutes. Then we will add cilantro in there. Hara dhaniya. Okay, let's see. We'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay friends, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see if our shrimps are ready. All ready to eat. I'll just have to add some cilantro in there. If you like cilantro, add it. Otherwise, you don't have to. A lot of cilantro. Okay, we're gonna cook for a few minutes. The it will be ready. Smells so good. Cilantro smell and bell pepper, onions. Try these shrimps, really good. Tastes very good. I'll let it cook with the cilantro for 2 more minutes. Then we'll be done. Okay, our shrimp is ready with the bell pepper, onions and cilantro, hara dhania, kothmir, different names for cilantro. And you can eat with this hot basmati rice. It's very good goes with the basmati rice. Okay, so try it. You're gonna like it, and eat and write me a comment and see how do you like it. And if you like it, just click like, share, subscribe. So I'll see you in next video. Okay, bye.